what should your page look like. So on the classwork tab, I'm going to share resources, right? The resource will have a sample that I made. I acted as though I was a student. At the top of every page, I put my name and the date and then the topic. So this was for assignment 1. If you go back here, assignment 1 was, assignment 1 was Intro to Polynomials, and the date for that was 3/23. So let me actually go back to my classwork. Resources here at the bottom. It's going to be at the very bottom. Resources. And so I put Intro to Polynomials notes. This is what you should have on your page. You don't need to write everything you see on the PDF. Just write the notes that Kirk Wilder gives. Like, this is an example of what your work should look like. 1A, the question answered. I wrote the question here because it was just 563 or 274. If it's a lot of words, you don't have to write it. Make sure everything is organized. 1B, 1C, 1D. I just put ... because it didn't make sense for me to do everything. Plus, you have to do it. Then you move on. Exercise 2A, 2B. Exercise 3 wanted you to circle things. You obviously can't circle things if you don't have it in front of you. So just make a list. Which ones are polynomials, which ones are not, and why. Anytime I start a new page, you put your name again, the date, and if it's the notes or the homework. This one was still notes. So again, exercise 4A, 4B, 4C, 5A, 5B, 5C. Now 6 and 7, right? 6A, 6B, 7A, 7B. Make sure you are showing all your notes. When it's time for the homework, again, put your name and date. This time, write the topic and write homework or independent work or fluency so that we can know, all right, this is where the notes end and the homework begins. Again, you don't have to write everything. Just write the question, or depending on the question, you can write it and just write your answers. I didn't fill in all of these because, again, that's for you. 2A, 2B, that's for you. For 3, 4, and 5, they are multiple choice. So just show any work that you need to. You don't have to write the question. Show any work and write and show your answer and write what choice it was. Was it choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, etc.? That's for 3, 4, and 5. 6 and 7 are not multiple choice. It's multiple parts. So it'll be 6A, 6B, 6C, all the way to 6F, and the same thing for number 7. Number 8 was multiple choice again. So you're just showing work, writing the correct answer. For number 9, they want you to make a statement about polynomials. So that's what you'll do. And this is pretty much what you're going to follow for all the lessons. I'm trying to give you an idea of what you should copy and what you shouldn't copy. Use your discretion, you know. If it's like a huge word problem, chances are you shouldn't write it. But if it's something like a number and then you have to work from it, you should write it. And again, I'm going to post this. It's going to be on the stream, the link to this YouTube video, but also when you go to classwork, there are 4 topics. Again, learning week 1, week 2, week 3, and the bottom is going to be resources. It's going to be here. In the resources, it's going to be how we want your work to look. Cómo queremos que se vea tu trabajo. So it's all going to be here, okay? If you have any questions, please reach out.